Hello friends, Danny here from Danny's Dreams. Just wanted to stop by and show you my new like Stickles holder or like liquid pearls. I will insert a picture now of my current Stickles and liquid pearls storage. There's also some refills in there, but it's a mess and most times Stickles should be stored like upside down so that it's ready to use instead of this way. There's that Twinkle. You know I love this Twinkle Stickles. So I found these on a Cherry on Top scrapbook store. They were very affordable, and I do have a lot of Stickles, and so I actually got 2 of them, but I am so excited for them. They won't fit into that drawer, but I did just get a new bookshelf from my husband. He bought me one and put it together. So now I will have a place for all of them to fit, and it'll be easier to see like the colors, the names. I might put labels on them. I haven't decided yet. But yeah, I just wanted to stop by and show that. I will add a picture at the end here that shows what they look like on the shelf. And I think that's all I had for you today. I'm just so excited about it. I had to share. Excuse the camera shake. My cat Alyssa is doing her thing and walking on the table that I have the phone mounted to. So I think that's all I had today. I hope that you have a great day. Thanks for stopping by and watching. There she is, trying to make her appearance again. Hello, Alyssa. Goodness, she derails me. And I hope that you will consider subscribing to my channel, giving me a thumbs up, and clicking on the bell for notifications. Until my next video, have a